go. I could never find that live button, so I'm glad I found it now. I'm Kat Hiskey, owner and creator of the Weave Buddy. By now you guys probably know that short little Mexican chick owns Weave Buddy. And I have some great news for you, ladies and gentlemen. I have listened to your requests for change. Not so much change, but options. I have had students who love that word, options, and people who love that word, options. For me, options is scary. I'll tell you guys why. Because that means I have to produce more products, which means more money, which means spending more money to create those options. But it's okay because I love you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll do it. I'll do it. So, okay, so my latest requests have been, do you have a lighter product? Do you have a lighter material? And my answers are, I can't have a lighter material because then everything will pull back, and then what I offer will be the same as everything that everyone else offers is not strong enough. I offer strength. I offer, something that you can attach to your clients' thin, fine edges or no edges, and you can attach it. When you attach the hair, it can stay there. It doesn't pull back. Why? Because it's strong. Because it's strong. But some people are telling me it's too strong. What do you do with that? What do you do with that? Okay, so I'm not going to eliminate what I have now, which is a very strong product that keeps the hair in place without pulling back. I guarantee you that. Now, what I do have to offer for you, ladies and gentlemen, who want a lighter version of that, is called the Weave Buddy Lite. So it's not so intense. The Weave Buddy is not so intense. It's not so thick. It's not so, there's not that many squares. I've eliminated a lot of the squares. I've eliminated a lot of the material to make it lighter. Don't get me wrong, Weave Buddy lovers. For you, Weave Buddy wearers or Weave Buddy application nurse or Weave Buddy specialists, I am not eliminating the strength of Weave Buddy. Weave Buddy stays just as it is. But now I am adding to the options, quote unquote options. So now you get to have a Weave Buddy Lite. So if you have a client who just wants, options, who just wants a change, she doesn't want something too thick, anything like that. If you want to give her options, if you want to eliminate glue, tape for a while, give her time to grow back her edges so you can just go back and glue them again, whatever. It does, options. I have coming soon, Weave Buddy Lite. Weave Buddy Lite is for people who want to eliminate glue or tape for time just so that they can give their edges a break. hairline a break. And for women who want protection, but they don't need that really thick protection. So Weave Buddy Lite is coming soon. Subscribe to my channel. Go to weavebuddy.com and subscribe. I'm always handing out coupon codes, and if you subscribe, you get the newest and the latest information. But it's exciting news, ladies and gentlemen. We have Weave Buddy Lite coming soon. So prepare to just change everything, okay? Because now you'll be able to offer even your clients who don't have any hair loss protection, okay? So, all right, just wanted to share. Peace and love. I'll talk to you guys later. Please feel free to comment when you have a chance, okay? Bye.